Hey there and welcome. I'm Miriam Smout, Aka Redemption Mumma. I love helping battle-weary women heal deep wounds, reclaim their personal power and unlock God-given destiny. That's my heart and that's my passion. I love to support women in many ways, and one of the ways currently is through a workshop called The 5 Steps to Emotional Heart Healing. And as part of that, this is one of the bonus tips. So you're getting a bonus if you're not doing the actual workshop. It's on my YouTube channel, so anyone can access this. I want to give credit to where I found this, and that was through Dr. Caroline Leaf and her Neurocycle app. She has an app which is fantastic for really helping you break up toxic thoughts, stopping you ruminating and going round and round in circles with negativity. So that's the app I use on a pretty consistent basis. And in that, she teaches the 10-second pause. Now, I know this is not only exclusive to her. You can actually find a lot of information about this in many, many different places. Now, the 10-second pause is that space that you create to enable you to have an adjustment time to manage your reactions. Like the times you get triggered, or somebody sets you off because, they've been mean, harsh, cruel, unkind, and all you want to do is just, bite back at them. Or the times where you just want to vomit, verbal vomit, over somebody because of how you feel or how they are triggering those emotions. Or maybe at the other extreme, you just want to suppress and just shut down. The 10-second pause is going to give you that adjustment time, that adjustment zone, so that you don't have to be living with regret, but you can live with confidence, knowing you did the best that you could in the moment with whatever was thrown at you, whatever you were dealing with in that space. So this is how the 10-second pause works. You breathe in for 3 seconds, deeply as you can, saying think, feel. Then you breathe out for 7 seconds, because 3 and 7 is 10. You breathe out for 7 seconds, saying the word choose. So, breathing in deeply, think, feel. Breathing out, saying choose. Now, I don't normally say it as I'm doing it because it does sound pretty bizarre, right? So what you can do is do it with me, and we'll think the words. I'll speak you, I'll cue you in for it, and we'll do a few cycles, up to 7, 8, 9, 10 cycles, and 10 times with 10 seconds, that's 100 seconds. I don't think that's too long in a moment or a day. It's less than 2 minutes to practice a skill that's really helpful in managing your emotions, and particularly your emotions, and managing your thoughts. So let's give it a go. Are you ready? Round 1. Think, feel. It's 2. 3. 4. 5. Now, I'm sure you can do that by yourself. You don't need to do 10 with me, but does that give you the idea? Does that help you get a sense of what it's all about? What it does is it brings oxygen to your brain. It helps those neuro things in your brain, whatever they're called, to really become more focused, become more clear, to just help you make choices that are going to be ones that you don't regret. And I think just for that in itself, this is a priceless bonus tip. So the 10-second pause, something I use in my daily life. I don't have to use it every day, but I do practice it with the app through the cycles that we do. And then When I remember, I will use it at times where I think, just need to catch my breath here, just need to pause, just need to hold off before I make a decision or I'll give a reaction. So this is a really powerful tool to make that adjustment, to choose before you react and end up in the space of regret. Hope that makes sense. Have fun with it, practice it, because unless we practice something, it's not permanent. It's not something your mind will just, pull up and use when you really, really need it. I can testify to that. I've missed the moments many times, but I know how valuable this has been for me as well. So off you go. Practice, practice, practice. Practice makes permanent. Take care.